Now that we've talked you through the first half of the water system, we're going to talk you through the second half, which is our instant water heater. So before you go switching things around, just make sure that the water is drained out of there and that the water pump is off. You can also ensure that you've closed that valve as you're switching this over so you're not getting any unnecessary water flow. So you go ahead and remove that handle, and then underneath here, you're going to reattach it until it's locked in place. Now we are going to pull out the shower head. For simplicity, we will mount it right here. And one thing to note, there is no on-off switch on the water heater. There's just these levers that adjust how hot the water will come out and how much water is going to flow. The only thing you need to make sure that you have going on is that the propane tank is open, which it is from our use of the stove earlier. Once that's set up, you're going to go ahead and flip on the switch. Is this in a locked position right now? Good question. So be mindful of where this is pointed. Water may flow right out. There are different settings, so that will turn the water off at the shower head itself. And as soon as you switch it to open, you're flowing and you have hot water.